The old rules of wealth are obsolete. While 99% of people are still manually researching stocks and guessing at market trends, a new class of operator is deploying a secret weapon. They are leveraging artificial intelligence to build automated cash flow systems with terrifying speed and precision. What you are about to receive is not theory. It is a formula, a three-step blueprint to build an intelligent, AI-driven income stream that can scale from zero to a potential $10,000 per month. Step 1. The AI Trend Scanner. Your first objective is not to invest, but to identify. You will use a publicly available AI language model like ChatGPT or Gemini as your personal army of analysts. Your command to the AI will be precise. Identify the top 3 fastest-growing niche markets with low startup costs and a clear path to monthly recurring revenue. The AI will process millions of data points and deliver a high-probability target list. Your job is to select one. Step 2. The AI Product Engine. You do not need to be an expert in the niche you selected. You will command your AI to become the expert. Your prompt, acting as a world-class expert in your chosen niche, outline a high-value digital product like an ebook, a paid newsletter, or a mini-course that solves the single biggest problem in this market. The AI will generate the blueprint for your product. You will then command it to write the content. It becomes your ghostwriter, your course creator, your product developer. Step 3. The AI Marketing Matrix. A product without distribution is a failure. You will now deploy your AI as a master strategist. Your command: generate a complete 30-day marketing plan to launch your AI-generated product. Include social media post ideas, email campaign sequences, and ad copy. The AI will build a multi-channel marketing assault, allowing you to reach thousands of potential customers automatically. This is the formula: the trend scanner to find the battlefield, the product engine to build the weapon, the marketing matrix to achieve domination. This is not passive income. This is active, intelligent, AI-amplified cash flow. This is the new physics of fortune.